For nearly a decade, Kubernetes has been the undisputed champion of container orchestration. It's been celebrated for its power and flexibility, and has become a staple in cloud-native architectures everywhere. But times are changing. Despite its strengths, Kubernetes is now seen as too complex and heavy for many organizations. Even the biggest tech giants are quietly seeking alternatives. In this video, we'll explore why Kubernetes is losing its crown and what's replacing it in the world of container orchestration. Let's dive into the reasons behind this shift and discover the 5 orchestration tools that are taking over. Kubernetes isn't going away overnight, but its dominance is being challenged. The reasons are clear. It's powerful, but often overkill for many teams. The complexity of managing clusters, debugging pods, and handling endless YAML files has left many developers exhausted. Tech giants like Netflix, Shopify, and Cloudflare are rethinking their orchestration strategies. They're looking for solutions that are easier to manage, less expensive, and more tailored to their needs. So, what exactly is driving this shift away from Kubernetes? Let's break down the main pain points. One of the biggest issues with Kubernetes is its complexity. Setting it up is just the beginning. Operating it at scale is a whole different challenge. You have to deal with RBAC, CRDs, Helm charts, ingress controllers, and service meshes. The list never seems to end. For many teams, this complexity becomes a burden, requiring specialized skills and constant attention. It's no wonder that organizations are searching for simpler alternatives that don't require a dedicated team just to keep things running smoothly. Managing Kubernetes clusters isn't just about technical complexity, it's also expensive. You need specialized DevOps engineers, which means higher hiring costs and longer onboarding times. The operational overhead can quickly add up, making Kubernetes a costly choice for many organizations. For startups and smaller teams, these hidden costs can be a deal breaker, pushing them to look for more cost-effective orchestration solutions. For teams that just want to deploy simple auto-scaling applications, Kubernetes can feel like using a bulldozer to move a flower pot. The platform is incredibly powerful, but often far more than what's needed for straightforward use cases. This mismatch between tool and task is leading many organizations to seek out lighter, more focused orchestration solutions that better fit their needs. Kubernetes requires you to adopt its way of doing things. Its opinionated design means you often have to adjust your workflows and processes to fit the platform, rather than the other way around. This can be frustrating for teams that want more flexibility and control over their infrastructure. As a result, many are turning to alternatives that allow them to work the way they want, without being forced into a specific mold. So, what's filling the void left by Kubernetes? A new generation of orchestration tools is emerging, each offering a unique approach to managing containers and workloads. These alternatives are designed to be simpler, more cost-effective, and better aligned with modern development workflows. Let's take a closer look at the 5 orchestration platforms that are quietly replacing Kubernetes in production environments around the world. First up are the managed serverless container orchestration platforms from the major cloud providers: AWS App Runner, Azure Container Apps, and Google Cloud Run. These platforms abstract away the complexity of Kubernetes, letting you deploy containers without worrying about clusters, nodes, or YAML files. With built-in autoscaling, HTTPS, and monitoring, they're ideal for microservices, APIs, and side projects. Indie developers, startups, and even enterprises are embracing these solutions for their speed and simplicity. Next is Nomad by HashiCorp, a lightweight and elegant alternative to Kubernetes. Nomad focuses on orchestrating workloads, whether they're containers, VMs, or binaries, without the extra baggage. It's easier to operate, has a lower learning curve, and pairs perfectly with tools like Consul and Vault. Companies like Roblox and Cloudflare are already using Nomad for its simplicity and reliability. If you want orchestration without the drama, Nomad is a strong contender. Fly.io is making waves as an edge-native platform that lets you deploy full-stack apps to edge locations worldwide, all from your command line. With zero config deployment, global scaling, and built-in Postgres, metrics, and auto-scaling, Fly.io is perfect for developers building fast, location-sensitive applications. Startups and indie hackers love it for its simplicity and ability to deliver low-latency experiences to users everywhere. Dagger and Earthly are orchestration tools that blur the lines between build pipelines and infrastructure management. Instead of treating infrastructure and workloads separately, they unify everything as code. This means you get container-native CI divided by CD pipelines that are declarative, reproducible, and Git-friendly. Teams tired of juggling Jenkins, Argo CD, and Terraform are turning to these tools for clean, repeatable workflows without the hassle of managing clusters. Tech giants are increasingly building their own internal platforms, custom PaaS solutions that abstract away all the complexity. These platforms, like Netflix's Spinnaker or Spotify's Backstage, let developers simply push code while platform teams handle the underlying infrastructure. This approach allows organizations to tailor their orchestration to their unique needs, enforce policies, and provide a seamless developer experience. It's the future for companies with mature DevOps cultures and dedicated platform teams. The move away from Kubernetes is already happening. Organizations are adopting managed, minimal, and developer-first platforms that prioritize ease of use and developer experience. The future of orchestration is less about maintaining complex clusters and more about workflows that feel as simple as using GitHub. Kubernetes paved the way, but now the industry is evolving towards solutions that better fit modern development needs. As we look to the future, orchestration platforms will continue to become more managed, minimal, and developer-friendly. The focus is shifting away from YAML-heavy, complex setups toward solutions that offer a seamless developer experience. Whether you're a startup or a tech giant, the goal is the same: deploy applications quickly, reliably, and with as little friction as possible. The next wave of orchestration is all about empowering developers and simplifying operations. Kubernetes changed the game for container orchestration, but the landscape is evolving. Today, organizations are seeking alternatives that offer simplicity, cost savings, and a better developer experience. From managed cloud solutions to internal platforms, the future of orchestration is bright and much less complicated. As we move forward, expect to see even more innovation and a continued focus on making infrastructure as invisible as possible for developers.